Living on a farm with a large dog, I'm facing a constant battle of trying to keep mud and dirt outside of my home. That's why I invited my dad this weekend to come and help me install some flagstones outside of the front door. As sand is heavy as hell, the work was quite hard, but Eros was right there by our side all along, being helpful as ever. He even helped us even the sand out before putting out the flagstones. There was definitely a trust the process moment, but I think it all came together quite well in the end, and Eros seemed happy with it. According to my dad, it's normal that the flagstones are kind of wobbly at first, but then they'll settle in over time. What do you think?